Peeling fruit has a bright future. We are certainly focused right now on apples, sliced apples. We're looking at some other commodities. We're looking at different packaging. The category that we're in has not matured, so we certainly have a lot of opportunity to move within the category and do some different things with it.
Food safety and quality, we're making sure that our finished customers get the best possible product. We're looking at the apples as they come in from the orchards all the way through to the bagged, boxed, ready to ship product, making sure that it's safe and a high quality for everybody.
Why did you apply for a manufacturing job?
About seeing all those different raw materials come in, all the work that has to go into making a finished product at the lowest cost, making sure it's safe, making sure the quality is very, very high, and then getting that out the door in a relatively quick amount of time is not an easy thing to do.
Where do you distribute most of your products?
So we distribute from Florida to Maine and all the way west towards Chicago. We're in all sorts of schools. We have some retail presence. And we use a variety of trucking methods. We use third-party logistics, so outside companies that we hire to deliver our products. We have customer pickups, so customers send their own trucks to pick up, and then we also have 2 of our own delivery trucks that make local deliveries.
Where everything goes smoothly, there are absolutely no problems, and I can take a breather between activities and tasks. That makes a perfect day.
We learned so much about apples from how they travel from the orchards to the factory. We learned how they are sliced, washed, and preserved, bagged, and packaged.
We are surprised at how much effort it takes to make a quality bag of sliced apples.
Thanks to Peeling Fruit Company!